So you want to start a garden, but you don't know what plants to plant. Let me show you the 5 easiest to get started this spring. Spinach. It's cold hardy, it's easy to grow, and it goes great in smoothies.
Is that it?
That's what you wanted, right?
You don't like spinach salads?
I do, yeah, spinach is good. I like it on sandwiches, I like it on, I like it in salad, I like it with lechuga. I really like green beans. 1, you get this social aspect of sitting around with your friends, snapping beans. 2, they're really prolific, and either the bush or the pole variety, you get a lot of yields from them. And they're tasty, who doesn't like beans? What's also great about beans is that you can just plant them directly outdoors. You don't need to start them in a greenhouse or under a light. They just go, once the soil is warmed up, they take over and you get a lot of beans out the deal. I really like radishes because they're super fast and beginner friendly. And it's really cool to see these giant radishes emerging from the ground. Seeing those tops is really cool. Another crop a whole lot like beans is zucchini and squash. They really take over, they're prolific. You can plant them right in the ground and there's a whole lot of nutrients, a whole lot of value. If you've seen our past videos, you know how big our zucchini get. And while it's not exactly a spring vegetable, it's one that you need to plan for in your garden. Zucchini, squash goes really well with beans and corn. That's the Iroquois Three Sisters planting. And it's great because you get a whole lot of yield and not a whole lot of labor because the way that those plants interact with each other to keep down weeds and then give you a lot of produce. Zucchini, corn, it's something that you need to plan for in your garden. The 5th and final, and maybe the most easy, is herbs. Whether that's like rosemary, sage, thyme. Once you get them started, a lot of them come back year after year, depending on your climate. And it really takes your cooking to the next level by being able to spice up a dish, by just walking out your door to your kitchen garden, grabbing the herbs, put them in whatever you're working on. Having fresh herbs at your disposal is definitely something that you need to plan for.
What Scott runs on? Anybody that's wondering. Scott, what is your preferred drink of choice?
Diet Pepsi, dog. Diet Pepsi and a beer mug from my friend's farm. Cheers. So you want to create a successful garden this year. Take these tips and the guide that's in the description. You want things to go in the soil at the right time. The planting dates in that guide will really help you out. If you want to take it a step further, join our Homestead community. It's people sharing the dream and sharing the vision so that we can have a more abundant future for everybody involved.